In this video, let's talk about how to use Wells Fargo's savings account feature. So if this is your first time trying to use the savings account of Wells Fargo, let me show you how you use it and the benefits that you get. Now, some of the benefits that you get with the savings account with Wells Fargo is the automatic savings as well as making deposits, and you also would be able to access your funds. Now, in terms of automatic deposits or automating your savings, what you can do is save as you go, meaning you can link your debit card with the way to savings account and every time you make a purchase, the bank will automatically transfer $1 from your checking account to your savings account. Also, you can set up the auto transfer, which is scheduling your recurring transfer on your payday through the pay and transfer tab. Also, if you do have access to your savings account, you'd be able to make mobile deposits, such as you'll be able to use the mobile app of Wells Fargo in order to make any sort of deposits that you need. You can also access your debit as well as credit cards and take a look at all of the information within. So these are the few benefits that you get and the way that you use the Wells Fargo savings account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.